Hello friend, I am 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 and in this video I will show you how you can get LinkedIn learning account in a completely free without any card or anything. Here you can see I have logged in my account, LinkedIn learning account, and you can simply start your any course in a completely free. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. And I will suggest you to please visit my YouTube channel homepage. You will find some awesome useful content. So let's start this tutorial. First of all, go to google.com and search there. Go to this URL linkedin.com/learning-login.go. Then type here in this library card NYPL type, then click on this continue button. It will redirect you to this page. Then simply paste this code and paste the password and click on continue. Here you can see the account is successfully logged in, and this account is for valid for 1 year. So don't worry, if you are watching this video after 1 month or 2 months, you can simply log in this account. Let's talk about how you can get this account. So first of all, go to my blog website, that is 𝐂𝐴𝐧𝐬𝐭𝐴.blogspot.com, and I will give my blog website link in this video description. Simply go to through the link, and I will add a new article about LinkedIn learning for, and you will get LinkedIn learning account, which is you can't change anything like password or anything. So simply copy from my blog website and logged in your browser and use it to enhance any skill. And if you need anything from this, then you can contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price, like old Facebook page or GitHub student developer pack or Skillshare 3-month account or 2 month, or Canva premium for 1 month, 6 month, 12 month. That will be private account, or Grammarly premium private account, or Office 365 key, or Windows 10/11 key, or edu email, or Moz Pro. Or if you are looking for WordPress theme or plugin, then you can also contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price. And if you are looking for SEO tool, then I will suggest you to use this website bundledseo.com. And if you use my coupon code, then you will get 20% discount on any purchase. This is the website. Here you can see. In a $10 you will get seamless Grammarly, Coolbot, Word AI and Uber Suggest, and in a $15 you will get all of these tool for 1 month, and in a $30 AHRF seamless and all of these tool for 30 days. So please use my coupon code, that is 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴, and you will get 20% discount. If you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching video.